Hi, good morning. Father Rayappa here in Laos, near Thailand. This is a waterfall near Paksong, near Paksi. It's a very skinny and tall waterfall. I think it can go more than half a kilometer, I think. Beautiful, isn't it? So look at the water cascading, so lovely. Look at that water cascading down the mountain. Look at that. It goes all the way deep into the canyon. Is that beauty or what? Look at cascading water. Comes from the Paksong mountains here. Look at the mountains. All the way water filters through the rainforest and plunges deep into the gorge, into the canyon. So again I'm in Paksong, Laos, Republic of Laos. Look at that. I think Joke Falls, they are bigger than this. Okay, but this is beautiful. Still it's beautiful. This is the waterfall. Paksong, Laos. Thank you, Father Rayappa.